Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to unbox this mobile phone that I have bought from Flipkart. This is the latest Motorola G35 mobile phone. It can be bought of rupees 12,500 from Flipkart. So this is a phone Moto G35 5G. So it's a 5G phone and Motorola is the brand, and on the sides there is the barcode and some Hello Moto signs, and on the back there is a specifications. It has 50 megapixel quad pixel camera, ultra wide. It has 8 megapixel ultra wide and a front camera of 16 megapixel. And if you have a Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, this can be bought at a price of 12,500 rupees. You will get as a cashback on the card. So let's open this. This is available at this discount price during the Flipkart summer sale. So we can just take off the top part and open it, and here is the phone itself. So let's take out the phone. So this is a leafy green color and 128 GB memory is there, and all the specifications of the phone is given on the front side on a sheet. So we can open it later. So let's see what else is there in the box. So we have some manuals and some paperwork, some brand information, warranty information, some manuals, etc. And this is the SIM ejector tool. So some ejector tool is given here, so we can open it like this. And also in this box, this is the instructions are given, and this is the warranty informations, this paper. And also before opening the phone, let's see what else there is in the box. We have the charger here, a proper USB charger is there, and there is a USB A to type C cable is given, so we can charge it and use it for data transaction to a computer. So let's keep all these things aside and just take the phone and see what is there inside. So let's peel off this cover from the phone. So we can peel off this very smoothly like this. So this is sort of there in the iPhone itself also. So this is the phone. There is also a built-in cover there. A silicone cover is given, and if you remove it, you can see the back side of the phone. It's leafy green color and it is made of leather on the back side. Even its sides are plastic, but back side is a leathery touch is there. And on the top there is a microphone, and on the bottom there is volume rockers and the power button, and below there is the speakers and the type C port, and the headphone jack is there. There is a 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's switch on this phone pressing the power button, and there is the Hello Moto introduction logo, powered by Android. So let's wait until this phone is switched on. So let me tell about the specifications of this phone. So this is a 128 GB phone, 4 GB RAM, and it's 5G phone, and there's a 50 megapixel back camera, and there's an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and there's a 16 megapixel front camera, and it has a Unisoc T760 octa-core processor with a 2.2 GHz clock speed, and it has a 6.72-inch LTPS LCD Full HD Plus display. Now it is asking for the language selection. So English I have selected. So connected network option is there, and settings option is there. So when you take the settings option, there is setup using another device. Let's skip this all. Let's skip the Wi-Fi. We can connect with Wi-Fi. Let's skip the SIM part. We are not using a SIM right now. So let's connect with the Wi-Fi and click the password and connect to the Wi-Fi. So I have connected with the Wi-Fi, so it's very fast connection. So now it's getting your phone ready, and it also has a massive 5000 mAh battery at a 120 Hz refresh rate. So now we are setting the privacy and software update settings. So we have turned many things off, many features, many ads, personalized ads like that, and we have clicked the accept and continue option. It currently runs on Android 14, but updates will be available after you set up the device for the first time. So the phone is getting ready now. It has a 2400 into 1080 pixel resolution with 391 ppi graphics. So you have set the phone, so there is some bloatwares there in the screen itself, and I think we can uninstall all these bloatwares. And this is pure Android experience, pure Android 14 experience is there, because most of software is like that. It's the Moto software, which is like a stock Android experience we will get. So we can go to the settings, and we can go about phone section. So details about the phone is given here. So there is the RAM boost option. We can boost the RAM up to 8 GB. Already 4 GB inbuilt RAM is there, and we can boost it up to 8 GB from the phone's internal memory. So other options are there here. Details of the phone, its software version, Android version, like that are given here. So device details, we will get the details of the phone. We will get the Android version. So Android 14 is there on the default on the phone. We can update it later. Now let's go back. So these are the settings. So this is the phone, and this is the drop down menu from the top. So it is stock Android experience. We can adjust the brightness here. It is auto adjustable brightness, and it is not an AMOLED display, it is a LCD display. So that is the first impression of this Moto G35. Thanks for watching my video. I'll be back with a new video later. Thank you.